Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find list of message alerts and change message notification sound on Leitzphone. First of all, go to the settings, find sound and vibration, here notifications, pre-installed ringtones, notifications. Now let's come with all possible options. That's all. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and press like button. Goodbye.